Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to find people near you on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Afterwards, just simply open Snapchat app and then let's just go back first, and then you may be able to click your location services right here, found on the lower left corner. And then right here, you may see these blue icons right here, which indicates that there is a story found on that specific location. So you just simply click on that blue icon, and then you may see their story, and then you may also add them by clicking on their profile. So let's say, for example, you cannot use this one or this um, option. What you're going to do is to go to your settings and then click on privacy and make sure that the location services is turned on. So click on it and then make sure that the toggle button has turned into green and not gray. And once you're here, or once you have turned it on, you must also turn on location services access on Snapchat. So you may scroll down right here and look for Snapchat and click on it and make sure to choose either while using the app or always. So again, make sure to choose either while using the app or always so that Snapchat may be able to use your location and see how many people or see other people on your location, and then you may add them afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can find people near you on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.